Hey everybody, Jan Gregory here with Cloud Token 2.0. I just touched down in Japan and I want to show you guys that we are live on the Cloud Sim. There we go. So we've got Google here. You can see we can go online. Everything's working. This thing works like a charm. So for those of you who said that this is not going to work in my city, this is not going to work in my location, I think you're wrong. According to Cloud 2.0, Ronald said we can go worldwide with this sim, all major areas, and this is unlimited data that I'm rolling on here. I am not on Wi-Fi. You can see up here Wi-Fi is turned off, and I'm fully jacked on free data right here, ladies and gentlemen. Cloud 2.0 power data, Tokyo, Japan, in the airport, no nonsense, traveling the world, and getting my free data so I can book my flights and check in and do my internet while I'm chilling. Thank you so much. Check us out at ctoglobal.io for many new things upcoming.